In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit or add a workflow form in Hubspot. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are viewing your main navigation. The goal here is to update a workflow so it enrolls records based on a specific form submission. This is useful when you create a new form, replace an old one, or simply need the workflow to respond to a different form than it does right now. First, go to the top menu and click Automations. From the drop-down, click Workflows. This will take you to the Workflows dashboard where you can see your existing workflows. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account and workspace, especially if you manage more than one portal. Next, find the workflow you want to update and click the workflow name to open it. Once you are inside the workflow editor, focus on the very top of the workflow where the enrollment criteria are set. Now click the trigger block at the top. This is the area that controls what causes a record to enter the workflow in the first place. If the workflow is not triggering correctly, this is usually the first place to check. After you open the trigger settings, choose Form Submissions. Then select your form from the list. Be careful to pick the exact form you intend, since forms can have similar names. If your form has multiple versions or you recently cloned it, confirm you are selecting the one that is actively published and collecting submissions. Once the form is selected, click Apply Filter and then click Save. Applying the filter ensures the workflow is specifically listening for submissions of that form, and saving locks in the change so it becomes part of the workflow logic. Finally, click Review and turn on the workflow. The review step is important because it lets you confirm the trigger and settings before the workflow goes live. When you turn it on, Hubspot will begin enrolling records based on the updated form submission trigger. That covers everything you need to know.